Hello and welcome. If you're ready to drastically improve the speed and precision of your wall panel manufacturing, this is the video you've been waiting for. In this exclusive live demonstration, we are showcasing the power and intelligence of our high-performance OMNI CNC router. Watch as we transform the complex task of cutting wood and composite wall panels into an efficient, precise, and profitable operation. Key highlights: why OMNI is the industry standard. We designed the OMNI router to eliminate the bottlenecks of traditional cutting methods. Here's what sets us apart: Syntec System Mastery, the future of control. Our machine features the advanced Syntec Control System. It allows you to visualize the design files and coordinate paths in real time upon import. What you see is exactly what you get, making complex operations intuitive for beginners and incredibly efficient for expert operators. Zero defect precision, guaranteeing perfect joints. Achieve flawless, zero error cuts every single time. This unparalleled precision ensures your finished wall panels will have perfect, seamless joints when installed, drastically elevating the final quality of your projects. High-speed batch production, power meets productivity. Equipped with a high-power spindle and an extra-large work table, our routers are built for simultaneous, high-speed batch processing. Boost your output exponentially while significantly cutting down on labor time and costs. Unleash your creativity, complex cuts made simple. Don't limit your designs. Our CNC can effortlessly handle intricate aesthetic cuts, including popular wave patterns, complex geometries, and detailed cutouts, delivering beautiful results with unmatched speed and accuracy. Core processing capabilities. Supported materials: MDF, medium-density fiberboard, solid wood, composite panels, PVC, and other common decorative materials. Ideal applications: wood furniture manufacturing, high-end interior decor projects, display/exhibition stand construction, signage and advertising industries. Ready to bring your wall panel production into the modern era? Contact us today to get detailed specifications, a custom quote for the OMNI CNC router model featured in this video, and start maximizing your manufacturing potential.